What's up, Vechain holder? What's going on? Today video is very important because my brother Vechain will get 25.14% my friends profit now. So definitely if the price is increased 25.14%, it's mean to Vechain will completely go in the moon and get a very good profit now. I am 100% sure my friends to if they will moving upward like that. So that's clear my friends. So they will make us millionaire now. What do you say in upcoming time this is possible my friends? So they will get now like that's profit. Absolutely my friend, this is possible because in last, oh my goodness, as you can see here, absolutely last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring positive. So that's mean my friends too. Oh my goodness, it's completely on the property, and that's all credit goes to holder because my brother, if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing, so definitely the price everything is going to be increasing, volume is increasing. So if a volume is increased, so that's clear to the price will also increasing. My friend, in this time my friend, you can see here the rank is 24 and I am 100% sure they will easily hit now in top 10 my friend. But this is possible if a holder are starting investing day by day, if a holder are starting investing hour by hour. So this is possible, otherwise this is impossible to they will hit now. Weekend holder, please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification because in upcoming time I am 100% sure my friend to weekend price will pumps up because we are already predicted this coin. So therefore I shortly tell you my friend to expert says to upcoming time weekend price will pump up. So if you want to get a profit now, you will need to hold now and don't starting selling. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.